Hey there, kids! How are you today? Let's enjoy some ASMR today and play with animals that live in the jungle. Can you guess what this animal is? Also, we'll make these jungle animals shine. Gonna start with the king of the jungle. This animal is the second largest cat in the world. It's a very important guy. We gotta make sure it's shiny all over. Oh, by the way, this animal can sleep or rest for 20 hours a day. Could you sleep for so long? So, what animal is it? That's right, a lion. Next up, a green animal with big and weird eyes. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you some hints. These creatures are amazing jumpers. They can leap more than 20 times their body length. Right, it's a frog. I think you might know this giant. This is the largest land animal in the world. It has a trunk, something between a nose and a hand. This guy uses it for smelling, drinking, grabbing things, and even hugging. The trunk has about 40,000 muscles. That's why it could pick up even a lion. This animal is an elephant. Next up, this animal seems pretty cheerful, right? It's very smart. It can use tools and even solve problems. It talks to its friends and family with different noises and by making faces. So, what animal is it? Yes, it's a monkey. This is our mystery guy. This is the tallest animal in the world. When it grows up, it can be as tall as 3 people standing on top of each other. Awesome, right? And this animal is a giraffe. So we've got 5 jungle animals, all shiny and nice. Oh, a lion. Let's check what sound it can produce when we crush it. Huh, it's quite soft, guys. Gonna try to squish its face. A bit harder, but still pretty soft. Let's mix all these colors together. Next, a frog! ASMR time. Shall I squish it completely? I think I'm gonna just mix it all. An elephant. It's a big animal. Will I be able to squish it? Gonna try! It's hard, but I like this cracking sound. The most satisfying. Now the face and the trunk. Mixing it all up. Yay! A monkey! Let's check what this animal sounds like when squished. It's easy to crush. What color will we get if we mix it all together? Maybe brown. And finally, a giraffe. Time for the ASMR check. The glaze is cracking so nicely. Ah, here, it's softer and easier to squish. I'll roll it into a ball. This color is actually pretty cute. What if we mix them all together? What color will we get? I think we must check it out. You gotta be strong to do it. Now mixing time.